This is Sean from Hanover Homegrown. What we're doing here, we're starting to prepare our soil for the upcoming harvest season. So what we're doing is we got some fish scraps. We're just going to prepare them. Throw this in the ground. Now the fish is great for nitrogen, and it's going to go a long way to feed our plants. The key to a good garden is to prepare it early. So you want to have your soil ready. We're still a couple months away from planting, but we want to get our soil nice and ready so that you know, when we do plant, the salmon or the fish scraps are already disintegrated or decomposed, so that we don't have to worry about if animals do get in. We'd rather have them do it now as opposed to when we already have stuff planting. So that is my reasoning for doing this now as opposed to in a couple months, like others have suggested, is because I'm worried that animals may come at night, try to get the fish scraps. So we're going to try this out.